Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how to run a Python file through command prompt. So as you can see, how to open command prompt, start, type CMD, you'll get it. Here you should start CD PycharmProjects, the place where I keep all my files. Then keep the dir. You will get all the list of items in that thing. Go to CD. Then if you press tab, one folder will come all by itself. Then again dir, here do cd, I'm going for the lessons file, so less ons, again press dir, then python and tab, which one you want to do. I will do lesson 8.py suppose, and see, as you can see, it started to run. See, so this is the whole program that I wrote. Next number please. See, it's coming. Okay, thanks guys.